yoga, we say there are about 108 chakras, or what in a layman's term will be energy junctions. So of this, 7 chakras are very significant and very profound and can really transform your life. I can use energy pathways to change the direction of energy flow within your body and thereby change the way you think, change the way you feel, and change the way you operate life. So there are energy techniques. So all of you who would like to know more about these techniques, who would like to deinstall certain programs which have been installed in your subconscious mind and operate new programs, are welcome to contact us on a one-to-one basis. All the distinguished members of the chamber have my numbers. I'm available on all social media platforms. I'm a person who believes in being available, so you can access me very easily. Please contact us for these programs. And I wish each one of you existential bliss and complete joy in conducting the subconscious mind. Please remember, 96 to 98% of your decisions are taken by the subconscious mind, though you think you're taking it through the conscious mind. So it is very important to conduct the subconscious mind with absolute awareness and in a scientific manner. So going forward in this webinar, each one of you can try and pick 1 or 2 things that you might have got in this webinar, apply it in your daily lives, because only when you're in the being, it will transform your life. If you're in the knowing, it does nothing for you. It is dead knowledge. Knowledge has to be applied with a living mind. You have to graduate from being in the knowing to getting into the being. Only when you get into the being, you will be able to transform life. Meditation is one more technique which I would like to share with each one of you. When you do meditation, you get access to the operating system. Please practice meditation if you can. I do it for about 1.5 hours every morning, but you all can start with about 5-10 minutes. It's fine, make a start. But when you do meditation, you get access to the operating system, and then you can work magic with your subconscious mind. But meditation is an experience. Many people who talk about meditation have not experienced anything. They are just wordsmiths, as we call them. They play with words. But if you go to the actual experience level, they've experienced nothing. But these are techniques which have to be done under careful guidance, and somebody who knows it can take you there. So I humbly thank each one of you for listening to me so patiently. I'm open to question and answers. Nishit, over to you.